Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rakuten Advertising, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Rakuten Advertising, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Rakuten Advertising. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or register button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information as required. This usually includes your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated. Next, you may be asked to provide additional information about your business or website. Complete this section with relevant details such as the business name and website URL. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Ensure you understand and agree to these terms before proceeding. Check any box that confirms your agreement, if applicable. After that, look for a Submit or Create Account button. Click this button to submit your registration information. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Go to your email inbox and locate the verification email from Rakuten Advertising. Open the email and follow the instructions provided inside. This typically involves clicking a link to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, return to the Rakuten Advertising website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features and tools. Finally, follow any additional setup prompts to complete your registration. Now you are ready to start using Rakuten Advertising for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.